What is up, YouTubers? It is Gartrell back here with No Lift Garage for another exhaust video. So today, before we get started, I just want to say a few things. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. We got a giveaway coming up at 500 subscribers, so you don't want to miss that. Currently, we're around like 465 and counting. So when we hit 500 subscribers, we will be doing the giveaway. There are some awesome prizes and there will be multiple winners. We're on that road to 1,000, so let's just get there, you guys. Today we're going to be doing something that we've done in the past, but this time we actually have a new exhaust on the car. So if you haven't seen the last video, click on it right here. That video has the actual RK Tunes downpipes, catless downpipes, with the stock cat back installed in the car with some sound tests, Fly Bys, and everything in between. This video is going to be actually the unfiltered FI exhaust with RK Tunes downpipes. So we pretty much got like a full exhaust on this car, and it sounds incredible. So I wanted to get that sound for you guys who might be interested in this exhaust today. So we're just gonna take it simple, make it real simple. We have 3 modes obviously in the car: efficient, sport, and sport plus. We'll be doing some sound tests, standing still, not moving, and then we'll do some regular cruising speeds in each mode, as well as some flybys in each mode, just so you guys can get the actual sound of the car, and it sounds incredible. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, unfortunately, it is about 8 o'clock in the morning, and there are people's houses right there, so I just want to apologize if anyone sees this video and thinks I'm being obnoxious. I just want to get a good video for you guys, but let's just get started. I'll switch through the modes just so you can see what the idle is like in different modes. So the exhaust can be quiet. In efficient mode, the valves do close and it sounds very, very stockish. As you can see right now, the idle is very, very low as compared to the last time it was idling, which was in sport mode. Not Sport Plus, actually, I apologize. The car does sound very, very good. I love this exhaust so much. It gets that true, 3-inch throaty sound, not as like kind of wimpy and like reserved like the stock exhaust. Thank you guys for watching. Before I go, I just wanted to make a note that this was actually filmed on the exact same camera and mic setup as the previous video, so the consistency is there between the stock exhaust and the new FI exhaust. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, please subscribe. There will be a giveaway at 500. You will not want to miss this. Also follow the IG at No Lift Garage, all one word, and please get that subscriber count up so we can hit 1,000. This road to 1,000, guys. And I will be seeing you in the next video, which will actually be the prizes that you can win and how to win the giveaway. Peace out. See you in the next one.